A very good afternoon to you. The milder air of the last few days will be giving way as we approach the end of the week, turning so much colder as temperatures fall, frost and ice likely for some of us tonight. This is the earlier satellite and radar picture. A lot of cloud cover, the best of the brighter skies through the northwest into the Western Midlands, but a lot of grey sky to contend with, and highs of 12 or 13 degrees, relatively mild for this point in the year. A bit more of a breeze across the north and the west as rain gets going across northern and western Scotland, soaking here as the afternoon wears on. And through this evening and tonight, that area of rain sinking its way southwards, introducing much colder air. On its back edge, some short-lived sleet and snow across the highest ground. That rain moving its way into the southeast come the small hours as the milder air is squeezed out. Wet and for some of us wintry tomorrow morning here. Behind this, freezing, frosty and icy with sleet and snow for parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland. A very good evening to you. The milder air gives way as it turns so much colder as we approach the weekend. Wet and for some of us wintry in places, frosty with icy spots as temperatures fall in the next few hours. The rain introducing that colder air from the north as the night wears on. A wintry mix of rain, sleet and snow for a time across Scotland and Northern Ireland. And after a freezing frosty start on Saturday morning, blustery wet weather sinking its way from north to south as we go through the first half of the weekend. As for the next few hours, stays relatively mild across central and southern spots, but this area of rain, as it sinks its way from north to south, will introduce much colder air. On its back edge, some short-lived sleety snow across the highest ground. Ahead of this, staying a touch milder, if quite blustery. As for the area behind the rain, so much colder as temperatures slide away. Close to freezing, frosty and icy with slippery surfaces and blustery sleet and snow piling into northern and western Scotland and Northern Ireland to give blowing snow across the highest routes into tomorrow morning. A wintry scene here. Elsewhere, looking quite soggy to start the day as that rain sinks its way southwards. Some short-lived sleety wet snow on its back edge. Behind this, as it pulls away, bright and blustery as we end the week. Cheerful blue skies, a stunning sunshine, but a fair few blustery downpours moving thick and fast through the north and the west, and with the colder air across Scotland, Northern England and Northern Ireland, a wintry mix of sleet and snow, particularly across the highest routes. Added to this, feeling very cold in the wind. See you soon.